Let's talk about our prep work here really quickly before we do it. Now, using the existing cap, I'm really psyched to get this in because it's going to color match all the rest of my blue, which is great with all of my golden wrench caps all the way around. So here on the inside, you'll see there's a ring of little fingers. So when you take the existing one off, whether it's OEM or aftermarket, there's a perforated post that goes down through the center of your oil cap. So when you pull that off, you're going to want to pull that out and transfer it to this one. Now it is plastic in the metal, so just be careful that if you do, when you snap it into place, if you get any plastic shavings, that you make sure to take those out. Now the one other guidance that you might want to do, if you have an aftermarket intercooler or charge cooler like I do, the dimensions are a little bit different. So this, one of your intake coolant pipes right here is just barely over the top of your oil filter housing cap, right? So it's not a big deal when it's on, but it's kind of in the way now. So you're going to want to move this pipe if you can. It's a little bit hard to see right now because of the paper towels I've put down, but right underneath right here is a reverse Torx. It's an E8 reverse Torx bolt right down here that holds this bracket that you can see that holds this in place. You're going to want to take that out so you can gain a little bit of flexibility with this pipe, and you can move it so you can lift that pipe up a little bit so you can get the existing cap out and get the new one in. Okay, so go ahead and take that bolt out. Don't lose it, don't drop it. That would be a huge drag. But then go ahead and loosen up your cap. I've already broken mine free. If you have the OEM, use that existing tool, a ratcheting strap, an oil filter ratcheting strap, or in this case, a 19 millimeter wrench or socket to get this loose. Okay, so I'm going to loosen up the hose. I'm going to get this off, and then I'll show you the transfer of the gasket and the post into the new cap. So you can see I've got the cap out now with the oil filter as well. So make sure to put it back in the same orientation that it came out. So I'm just going to take my oil filter, which I know in this case is brand new. I'm going to set right there for right now because I'm going to put this back in the same orientation. And I do have a little bit of spare oil in here that I'm going to put back into the car to lose as little as possible. This is also a good opportunity to clean up if you spilled any. This is like I have a little bit of residue right there and a little bit right there. This is a good opportunity to clean that up as well because you can get into it more easily than when the cap is there.